Switching careers without experience might feel uncomfortable, but it's not evidence that you are incapable. The truth is, companies don't hire experience, they hire certainty. The people who moved forward, they were the ones who could prove they could do the job, the ones who could make others believe in them. So the real question isn't how do you get experience? It's how do you make someone trust you without it? Step 1 is role clarity, not big goals like I want to get into tech or I want to do marketing. You need to get specific about your target role, something concrete like business analyst or product manager. Think for a moment, what does this role actually involve day to day? A really simple way to do this is just go on job boards and look at job descriptions. Pick 5 to 10 roles and identify common skills, tools, responsibilities. Once you have identified where you want to go, the next step is to map your current skills to the required ones. And this is actually much simpler than you think. Create a really basic 3-column table. Required skills, do I have it? Yes or no? Action needed. It gives you a very clear gap analysis. For example, Excel, yes. SQL, no. Learn the basics. Communication, yes. You are just focusing on what's missing. And this prevents random learning. Now, once you have got the clarity, it's time to start learning the right skills. Do not sign up for a 6-month course and try to learn everything. You don't need everything. You need the minimum effective dose. Focus on top 20% skills. Ignore the rest for now. We are living in a time where learning is ridiculously accessible. You have got platforms like YouTube. You have got tools like ChatGPT and Claude. You have basically got the entire internet at your fingertips. Use AI to break down complex topics into simple steps, simulate real job scenarios, even get instant feedback on your work. Next, build proof of work. This might be the single most important shift you need to make because knowledge doesn't get you hired. Proof does. You need evidence, something that shows you can do this. Want to get into marketing? Create a real marketing campaign. Want to enter data or tech? Analyze a data set and publish your insights. Want to get into design? Redesign an app, a website, or even your favorite brand. Want to enter business? Identify a real-world problem and propose a solution. Once you have proof of work, you are no longer aspiring. You are already doing the thing. Next, package everything. Once you have built a few solid projects, turn them into a portfolio. And this doesn't have to be complicated. You can literally use tools like Notion to organize your work and Canva to present it cleanly. For each project, answer 3 questions. What was the problem? What did you actually do? What was the result? That's how you replace experience with evidence. Also, update your LinkedIn profile. Start sharing your work publicly. Talk about what you are learning and what you are experimenting with. This creates perceived competence, which often matters as much as actual competence. Your goal here isn't just to do good work, it's to make your value obvious. At the end of the day, your LinkedIn, your CV, your portfolio, they should all answer one simple question. Why should someone trust you even without experience? And when you can answer it clearly, you don't chase opportunities anymore. They start noticing you. Coming up next, entry strategy. Apply smartly. It's not about more applications. It's about better positioning. Instead of applying everywhere, focus on targeted opportunities. Go for startups, smaller teams, roles open to junior candidates. They are much more open to hiring based on potential. Take the smaller role, freelance project, even the internship if that's what gets you in the room. Once you are in, you can grow much faster. One more thing, tailor your resume for each role. Highlight your projects clearly. Make it obvious why you are a good fit. Don't lose time. You can use AI to build projects faster, improve and refine your resume, practice interview questions, learning professional strategies, and getting feedback on your work. Reach out to hiring managers, share your work, start conversations, build relationships. When you combine skills, proof, visibility, and relationships, you don't just look qualified, you become undeniable. Fundamentally, what you need to get started is clarity on what you are aiming for, some proof that you can actually do the thing, and a mindset thinking like someone who already belongs in that space. One client, one project, one opportunity. And suddenly, you are no longer someone trying to switch careers. You become someone who already has.